How to convert video to audio in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Simply click on the edited video and then simply add the video you want to extract audio from. After the video is added, click on the video on your timeline and scroll down at the bottom to the left and you'll find extract audio. Click on it. After that, as you can see, audio is available. You can simply drag it wherever you want and simply delete the video clip. After that, you can use the audio. You can also trim the audio if you want. This is how to convert video to audio in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.